Good afternoon, fellow scientists. Today we will be talking about what causes ocean currents. Surface water currents, they occur up to 400 feet down. The main cause for surface water currents are heating of water and the wind. When water is heated, it expands. This creates a slope that water can flow down to, which then creates currents. Wind also physically pushes the water, which means faster currents occur in more shallow areas, while in deeper areas the currents move much slower. The second type of current is deep water currents. These currents occur because of temperature and water density. The higher amount of salt in the water, the more dense it is, which will sink to the bottom because of gravity, while the less dense water will rise to the top. Dense water is usually more close to the poles, while less dense water is found near the equator. But once they meet, they create deep water currents, also known as the ocean's conveyor belt.
Currents are important in marine ecosystems because they redistribute water, heat, nutrients, and oxygen in the ocean. At the same time, they sweep over and carry off living organisms. Ocean currents can be generated by wind, density differences in water masses that are caused by temperature and the salinity variations, gravity, and even by earthquakes. These currents move water through the deep ocean, taking oxygen, nutrients, and heat with them. Irregular events can also trigger currents. Huge storms move water masses, and earthquakes trigger tsunamis. A current moving over a broad area forced in a space becomes very strong. Ocean water and currents affect the climate because it takes far more energy to change the temperature of water than land or air. Water warms up and cools off much more slowly than either. Inland climates are subject to more extreme temperature ranges than coastal climates.